4.
4.
At school.
At school.
Where are we?
Where are we?
We are at school.
We are at school.
We are having class.
We are having class.
Those are the school children.
Those are the school children.
That is the teacher.
That is the teacher.
That is the class.
That is the class.
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
We are learning.
We are learning.
We are learning a language.
We are learning a language.
I learn English.
I learn English.
You learn Spanish.
You learn Spanish.
He learns German.
He learns German.
We learn French.
We learn French.
You will learn Italian.
You all learn Italian.
They learn Russian.
They learn Russian.
Learning languages is interesting.
Learning languages is interesting.
We want to understand people.
We want to understand people.
We want to speak with people.
We want to speak with people.